Welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Sam's Biology. In this video we will understand difference between DNA and gene. So what is DNA? DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a biomolecule and it is composed of two chains which are coiled around each other, and it is made up of sugar, phosphate and bases. Bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. So this is DNA. DNA is a biomolecule and this DNA is made up of sugar, phosphate and bases. So this is our DNA. That is a biomolecule and that has two chains, and these chains are coiled around each other, and that DNA is present inside the nucleus of cell. So this is DNA. Now what is a gene? Gene is a sequence of DNA. It is a sequence of DNA that is functional. Means a DNA sequence will form a RNA, and this RNA will make protein, and this protein then will perform function. So this is a sequence that is functional. A sequence that is functional is called gene. Suppose this is a DNA. So this is a whole DNA. In this DNA, this sequence from there to there, this sequence is forming a RNA, and this RNA is then producing protein, and this protein is doing some function. So this is a functional sequence. But this all is not DNA. DNA is this whole DNA. So this is non-coding sequence. This sequence is not forming any mRNA protein. This is not producing anything. This is non-coding sequence. So this whole is called DNA. But when we talk about gene is also a DNA. But it is a sequence of DNA that is functional, that is performing any function, is called a gene. So this is the difference between DNA and gene. DNA is just a biomolecule that is present inside the nucleus of eukaryotes and also present in case of prokaryotes in the cytoplasm. So this is the sequence. But in case of a gene, the gene is a functional sequence of DNA that is producing a mRNA or RNA. That RNA is performing some function. It will produce protein or it may perform any other function. So this is the difference between DNA and gene.